morning, friends. Today I am discussing about our family get together. Family get togethers and festivals at the same time when children get to meet their relatives and cousins. These moments should be cherished rather than dreaded. These are the moments when children get the idea of being a family, and also these remain as beautiful memories throughout their life. Some things could be done to make a get together enjoyable for everyone. If we are hosting it, let us assign children some work like decorations or babysitting or helping with setting the tables. This gives them the feelings that they are being part of their family. If we are a guest at the function, we can bring something to share with the others. Little children can draw small pictures or make cards for their grandparents. This way they can express their love, making the bond stronger. Even before the activity begins, let us discuss their cousins without with our kids what they are planning to do with their cousins. We can share the memories of our childhood and the games we played. This makes the children wait for the get together. Now, new faces or never before seen relatives will make the function uncomfortable for the children. Hence, during discussions, let us talk to them about who they will be meeting the next day and also how we are related to them. We can also let the children interact with them. Thus, these occasions make the children understand the beauty of the family bond. Children become like the things they love. Here, three frogs are leaping, plop, plop, plop. Three frogs are croaking, croak, croak, croak. Three fishes splashing, splash, splash, splash. Three frogs are leaping, plop, plop, plop. Friends, now I am telling you a sweet story for you at your request, friends. That is Munna and Willie. Let's start and enjoy. Munna was a guard dog. His owner was a shepherd. One day, Willie, a greedy wolf, met Munna. Hello, Munna. Will you allow me to catch a sheep? Then we will eat it together, Willie said. Munna said, You greedy wolf, I won't let you even touch a sheep. If my master hears about this, he will kill you first and then kill me too. But Willie Wolf was so cunning. He tried to lure Munna again and again. Finally, Munna fell for his words. But the door of the sheep pen was locked. Munna decided to play a trick. He let out a loud bark, oof, oof, and hid behind a bush. Soon the shepherd came there and opened the pen to check what the problem was. Then, suddenly Willie jumped into the pen, caught a sheep and ran away. Munna ran off with him as if he was chasing the wolf. Soon they ate the sheep. When Munna returned, the shepherd asked him, Munna, did you bark last night? No, I didn't, Munna said. It was a wolf who barked, pretending to be me. The poor shepherd believed it. Next day, Billy came again, and the same story repeated. The shepherd believed Munna when he said it was the wolf who barked. After a few days, one night, Munna saw a leopard walking up silently. He was frightened and ran off to the sheep pen. Munna started to bark loudly. Oof, oof, oof. The shepherd heard the barks. I will teach the wolf a good lesson, he thought. He rushed out and started to beat Munna, thinking that it was the wolf. Oh, it is me, cried Munna. Munna learned how foolish it was to make friends with those who have bad intentions. He never betrayed his master ever since, friends, on your request, I am telling you another little so sweet story, friends, for you only, my little friends. Grandpa and Kids. Once upon a time, there lived a grandpa all alone. He was very rough and never liked children, friends. He scolded when children laughed aloud. One day, he had a severe cough and had a tough time. Then what to do? Some children took him to doctor. The doctor said him to have enough rest. He gave them a big tub of fruit juice. From then on, the grandpa happily played with the children. His laughter was harder and loudest. Friends, how you're enjoying these so little interesting stories. If you are enjoying, like, share, comments and subscribe, friends. And don't click the bell button. Bye bye. See you.